Zwelithini and Thandiswa did a ritual to protect themselves from Jackson and Martha, but Songanga says they're still not safe, they need to wash their bags. Jackson is getting impatient that he still doesn't have the depot bag and is not mayor yet. And then Nguga moves on to Sakile, is now threatening Sakile to step down or die. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So Thandiswa dragged Uzweleti to Songanga. Now they hear ukuthi Stan left because of Jackson and Martha, and the reason for my accident kaZweleti and the explosion is also Jackson and Martha. The thing that it's very strong. Uzweleti does not believe in superstitions and things which Thandiswa should not either, because they're not going to lose anything. But right, ingane right, Thandiswa right. But Thandiswa thinks that she's not exaggerating. Lento it's real and Uzweleti needs to take it serious. She convinces Zweleti to do the ritual, and then Zweleti finally agrees. Now Martha talks to Jackson. Jackson is umuncu, saying go to Martha. You can see go to Martha is all happy. Ngathi ingolube mayidlala udageni. While I still does not have his depot bag and is not mayor yet. Atu Martha, how can you say this after all the sacrifices that I've done? Ati wena, it's not just you. We both did it. I also lost my son, because I'm sure they gave up their son or their baby to get their riches back. Athi Martha, you need to be patient, because Unguga did say that you need to be patient. Jackson akanayo patience, zero patience. He wants to go back into power. And then Uzweleti noThandiswa, so they do the ritual noSonganga ukubavikela from spirits the dark spirits Jackson no Martha, and says ukuthi azonivikeleka kodwa ke this is not over yet. You guys still need to be careful. You still need to watch your backs, because lento yabo it's strong nama ngikaze ngiyibone. So Songanga agrees ukuthi yo lento le babhizi ngayo uMartha noJackson is very strong, so nama ngikaze ngiyibone. You guys still need to watch your backs. Ayiphelanga lento le, because they're going to keep on attacking you. Bathukile manje ukuthi how we just did the ritual kanje ayipheli ngani lento. And then uThabo lo mshana Sakile talks to Sakile about this whole thing addiction kaPetshuna, says good as we need to protect to support to auntie, because I don't know who's kanjani. I just Sakile, don't worry, I'm the one who opened our lives to the public. I'm campaigning over mayor now. Our impilation just is so all we can do is to support her, because there isn't much we can do for her. Utabo went and got her lavender oil to help her with sleeping, because she's been struggling to sleep lately. Angasajabulanga uPetshuna, seeing ukuthi shem umntwana uyazwe emkhathalela. And then Petshuna gives Sakile a phone call esemsebenzini ukuthi hey, uThabo went out, can you come home quickly? Sizoba yi-2 nje and just relax. Hey, Sakile gets a note on the table ethi you don't deserve to be mayor, step down or die. Yay, Unguga semuvele kuSakile, now he's going to start attacking uSakile. Hi usenkingeni, I hope they don't harm uPetshuna nkosi yami. Yo. And then Philile goes to talk to Martha to ask for a hotel for a baby shower Mamiki. Martha says she's happy because she's finally back at hotel and she's not longer living in Mkhukhwini, and thanks Philile for supporting her throughout. And then she agreed to so they can use the hotel, but on condition that they buy her food and drinks. Petshuna meets up with meets up with Leroy, but they had to get rid of Mamiki because she can't know, because it's a surprise baby shower. And then ahambe ke bamxoshe Mamiki ahambe, and Phelile tells Ulo ukuthi hey uvumile ukuthi we can use the hotel, but on this condition. Now and they wanted to cook themselves kanjani ehotel yomuntu. I'm glad it was finally things are coming together. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.